Hey there everybody, this is Alex Eaton with BRD, and today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to use my Ether wallet to send your funds, your tokens, to any other wallet that has full ERC20 support. Now I'm doing this because by the end of March, BRD will have full ERC20 support. And if you're like me and you have an Android phone, you're not able to store your BRD tokens on your BRD yet. So when this function comes, this will be a quick tutorial on exactly how to do that for people that have never done it before. So this is my Ether wallet, and a couple things I wanted to show you really quick over here on the right is my MetaMask wallet, which I'm storing a little bit of BRD right now. You can see I have 6 BRD, and we'll get back to that later. But the main thing I want to do is today I want to send BRD tokens from my Ether wallet to my MetaMask wallet, just as a show of how it works, right? Now this MetaMask wallet could easily be a BRD app wallet as soon as I have access to it on my phone. So first we want to go ahead and type in the address that we want to send it to. I'm actually getting that from my MetaMask because that's where I'll be sending it. So I just took the Ethereum address from MetaMask and put the Ethereum address here in my Ether wallet. Now a couple things about my Ether wallet for anybody that's never used it before. Over here you have your Ethereum address for your my Ether wallet. This is where you would send any ERC20 token at all. Any token that you can hold in my Ether wallet is here, and you can click them and see if you have any. But the main point is you want to have some tokens in your wallet to be able to send them somewhere else. So here you can see I have some BRD tokens ready to go. And for anybody that's wondering, if you ever do put BRD tokens into my Ether wallet, sometimes it won't pop up here. You'll have to go ahead and enter in a custom token. So these are the parameters for the custom token for BRD, and then all of a sudden your BRD will pop up and you'll be able to use it. Now the reason we do that is you'll notice I have some BRD, some First Blood, some ADX, and if I click here you'll see the same coins that I have in this wallet that I'll be able to send now. So for the purposes of this tutorial, once again I'm sending to my MetaMask account. I want to send some BRD. I want to send, let's say, 10 BRD, and it's going to give me a gas limit. And this gas limit is basically calculated to try and get your transactions through as quickly as possible. The default is 21,000, but if you want it to get there really fast, you can increase it as high as you really want. So for the purposes of this, I want you to be able to see it reach my MetaMask account quickly, so that I'm just going to go ahead and increase the gas limit. So we're almost done here. We're going to go ahead and hit generate transaction, which will pop up a raw transaction and a signed transaction. Make sure you don't touch those. Those are just information. And go ahead and hit send transaction. Now here's where you'll see an overview of just everything you're about to do. So this is your last line of defense in case you change your mind. But basically what I want you to look at is right here. You're about to send 10 BRD to this address. Are you sure you want to do this? Now normally I always like to check the first 3 and the last 3 of an address to make sure that it is in fact the address that I'm sending it to, because the worst thing you can do is send your coins to an address that is not the one you're intending to. But in this case I'm sure, so I'm going to hit yes. Next you're going to have this green bar at the bottom that will allow you to verify the transaction or check the transaction status. And this comes into play with certain aspects. For the purposes of this tutorial we're not really going to go into it. Just go ahead and click out of that. Now we can actually see that we have lost 10 BRD tokens. They've gone somewhere else. Where have they gone? Well, they should go straight to our MetaMask account. So within about a minute or two this would populate, and this will have about 16 BRD tokens in it. But we can actually check the Ether scan, and we can see right now, in fact, it does have 16 BRD tokens. 27 seconds ago, we sent a transaction from my Ether wallet to MetaMask. And really, that's as simple as it is. So going back to my Ether wallet, we have less BRD tokens in our MetaMask. We have more BRD tokens. Yep, there they are. Sorry about my dog. And that really is it. That is a quick tutorial on how to send tokens, in this case BRD, from one wallet that has full ERC20 support to another wallet that has full ERC20 support. Now this same application can be used as soon as people like me that have an Android BRD app phone will be able to send our BRD or any other token that we store in my Ether wallet to the BRD app. So this again has just been a quick tutorial. I hope you all enjoy it. Hope you appreciate it. We're going to be making a lot more of these for our YouTube channel. So at the end of the day, every platform, every feature, every function that BRD brings to the table, we want to have a quick tutorial so that people don't get lost. I consider it my job to make sure everybody stays educated, everybody stays safe. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Once again, this is Alex from BRD. Thanks for your time.